In this video, we are going to look over some interesting Zcash APIs from Bitquery, which will return us the address analytics and the details of the transactions in which the address is involved. So let's jump into the GraphQL IDE created by Bitquery. And you can see over here, I have selected the API v1 option after logging in to my account. So what I need you to do is select the Bitcoin option with the network as Zcash, and you have to select the address stats with the address as the following. Now I'm printing out details like the address, the balance of the address in USD, the first time it was active, the last time it was active, the outbound transaction number, the inbound transaction number, unique senders, unique receivers, and unique days with transfers. So let's run this query, and you can see this is the result we get. So the balance is around 2.59. It was first active on the 8th of May 2023. It was last active on 24th of July 2024. The number of outbound transactions are 2, and the number of inbound transactions are many. Number of unique senders as 4, unique receivers as 17, and 156 is the total number of unique days with transfers. You can cross verify these details on BitQuery Explorer. So now let's understand more about these outbound transaction and inbound transaction with the following queries. So this is the query that will give us details about the inbound transaction, and as you seen over there, the number of inbound transaction was large, so I have put in options with the limit as 100. For the filter part, I have selected that the output address has to be the address that we mentioned earlier, and I'm going to get details of transaction like the time and the fee value, hash, index, output value, and the input value. So let's run this query, and you can see over here we have several of transactions with the respective time. Now let's see the query for outbound transactions. So over here the filter is slightly changed, that is the input address has to be the following, and we can skip the options part over here because the number of outbound transactions was not very large. So again, I am printing out the same details I have printed out for the inbound transaction, that is time, fee value, hash, index, input value, and output count. And you can see without any options or limits, it's still giving me two transactions. Now, real use case for queries like these could be building an investigation service or tool, just like Money Flow by Bitquery. Like and subscribe, and make sure to join our Telegram channel if you have any doubts regarding these queries or any other queries. I'll be sharing the link to the queries and documentation in the description of the video.